Hello, this is Mayor Clint Folsom, Town of Superior. Today, I'm sitting at our kitchen table, and probably like you, I'm spending a lot more time here these days. Our kitchen table now features lunch 7 days a week. It's also the office for my real estate business and the office for the mayor. And this week, it also gets used for homeschooling. But enough about our kitchen table. Now, using the magic of Zoom, I want to teleport over to Purple Park, which is one of my happy places within the town of Superior. As you know, the state of Colorado and much of the United States is under a stay-at-home order due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 coronavirus. Each day, we are seeing a number of cases and deaths growing worldwide. The purpose of the stay-at-home order is to slow the spread of the virus so we don't overwhelm the capacity of our hospitals for those who need an advanced level of care. Throughout the state, many businesses have been forced to reduce their operations or close entirely. In Superior, the town government has responded by closing town hall, canceling all in-person board and committee meetings and events, and closing playground equipment throughout the town. These closures are designed for everyone's safety, and caution tape is installed, and we ask that everyone please respect this and stay off the equipment to reduce the chances of spreading the virus. Parks and trails are still open, and you can use those for exercise. While you're out, we do encourage everyone to observe social distancing recommendations. Now, social distancing wasn't even really in our vocabulary a month ago. Now, pretty much everyone knows that that means maintain 6 feet of space between everyone else. It's very important to observe social distancing when you're out on the trails or in stores getting a few essentials, or maybe a restaurant getting some takeout. Many businesses in our community have already been closed for weeks. These businesses did not have a plan for the immediate and indefinite shutdown of their revenue, but yet their expenses continue. Business owners are scrambling for revenue to pay the bills and keep the businesses going long enough to survive through this shutdown. Our local Superior Chamber of Commerce has been working for weeks to provide support and outreach to these restaurants and businesses. Additionally, our town board just announced a special grant relief program that will provide an immediate $5,000 or $10,000 grant to businesses to help with expenses. We greatly value the businesses in our community, and we want to help them survive during this difficult time. As mentioned earlier, our town hall building is closed, but please know that our town staff and your elected board of trustees are working at town hall and remotely to maintain town services to our residents. We are here if you need us, and the best way to reach us right now is by email. Contact information for town staff and departments is on the town website, superiorcolorado.gov. The Boulder County Sheriff's Office that provides law enforcement services, and Rocky Mountain Fire that provides medical and fire protection services are also both ready to respond to residents as needed. I want to speak to the fact that everyone in our community is struggling right now in one way or another throughout this ordeal. Maybe you or a loved one has lost your job, or you're at home ill or caring for someone who's ill, or maybe you've lost a friend or a loved one and pass away because of this virus. Maybe you're a healthcare worker putting your life on the line every day treating patients. Maybe you're a grocery store worker keeping the shelves stocked, or maybe a student adjusting to home learning and just found out they're probably not going to go back to school for this school year. Or you're a high school senior or college senior and you're not going to get to have graduation ceremony. The list just goes on and on. I want you to know that we're thinking about you. We sympathize with your situation. But the bottom line is that we're all in this together. We're suffering in different ways. But the good news is that we all have the ability to help each other. We will get through this difficult time, and we will get back to all the things that we love, like hugs, handshakes, and of course, an abundance of paper products at the stores. Thank you.